Well, here it is, folks, my new PLUSINNO collapsible rod. As you can see, it's not my first one. I have several of these wonderful rods. They're great for travel, and anytime, you can just keep one in the car. It comes with a nice case. As you can see, I'm all ready for night fishing. Got my bug zapper and my flashing light to tell me when I get a hit. These poles are great. They extend. You hook them up, you're ready to go. Put your favorite reel on, and you're in the water. Another great product from PLUSINNO.
Got my new PLUSINNO telescope rod all hooked up out at the pond. Just see if I can't get it quick. Oh yeah, nice smooth cast. You can tell with the reel, it's nice and smooth. Not a lot of jumping. I catch something already? Think maybe. Nah, just a stick.
Yes, you did. Yes. Ooh. Holy shit, you're big.
Nice one.